octopus?
Oh, whoa. That is an octopus. Oh, he's so cool. There's our crawfish. And these are our fish.
And some chips down there too. We are back in Kaikoura. It's a beautiful day. Saw a ton of dolphins. Probably 200 dolphins. Can't believe how many there are.
Oh my goodness, it's so so many dolphins, like 250, 300, 400, probably like 250.
They were jumping all over. It was cool.
They were doing flips.
Yeah, they were doing flips. It's pretty sweet. Parked up at camp. Should be a good one.
Good morning. It is probably a little after 6:30. We are making coffee. We have to be out of our campsite by 7, and we're going on a little excursion today. I'm a little bit more awake than Eric is, but I'm making coffee, so hopefully that'll help.
Taylor's ready to go.
Likes to be early.
I think that's their boat right there. Yeah. Morning. Hey.
Eric, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Come on board. Right.
Hi, Eric.
Eric, hi.
Taylor.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. Oh, we're going fishing.
Yeah. Let's get it. How many do we got to check?
Normally I only do a couple per trip, but I've got 5 out, so we'll do all 5.
Okay. How many are you allowed to have? How many traps?
6.
6?
Yep.
Oh, look at him.
Sorry though, that one. Really?
Cool.
Nice. Yeah, just like crabs. Cow. Is that an octopus?
Oh, whoa. That is an octopus. That's cool.
Yeah, what do you do with the octopus?
Awesome.
What do you do with them?
I'll probably let him go at some stage. Not back in here, he likes eating crayfish.
They eat them, right? Yeah.
He's not really a friend.
Oh, he's so cool.
Is that a good pot there?
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah, not too bad.
Better than 2.
It is better than 2. Yeah, but
Watch out. He's so cool.
That's pretty sweet.
I want to touch it.
Pick them up.
go.
See, here's suction cup.
Uh-huh. That's what I want.
Back to our 2.
Yeah. Spoke too soon, huh?
Yeah. We did. We got too excited.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
That's a little bit better one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we got there. So what would this is a female.
Okay.
So large fins in here. Has to be 60 millimeters from there to there to be takeable.
Okay.
So she's too small, goes back. You want to let her go? Just hold her like that. That's it. Just let her go. And that's your male crayfish there. See the smaller fins?
Yep.
They only have to be 54 millimeters.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. So too small as well. So. Yep. So that one's okay.
Nice.
She's okay. And this is all good for the future, you know.
Yeah. Not overfishing them.
Never too worried about letting them go, you know.
How old are they?
They're about, the ones that are big enough are about 6 years old.
Pretty old then, now.
And then just one last little job we've got to do. Any that we keep, we have to fin clip. And that's so that they can't be sold into a restaurant or a takeaway shop.
Okay.
Oh, well, there you go. There'll be a crayfish each in there for you.
Awesome.
I'll just strip them under the seat here.
So cool. They're huge.
They are huge.
Still saying 11 AM, but that's not going to bother us.
Perfect.
Yeah, good.
Right. Oh, the albatross is there.
Are they here year round?
Yes. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, you'll see more of them as the morning goes on. I'll come right up to the boat.
They're huge.
But right out each side.
Okay.
A bit of a competition.
Yeah.
Good.
What are we using for bait?
Oh, just bits of fish.
Bits of fish?
Yep,
Okay.
yep. So this lever here, just pop it back like that.
Let it all the way to the bottom?
All the way to the bottom.
Okay.
It's 90 metres here. So.
Nice. Deep.
Deep.
We got to.
Got a long way to go.
Nice. Oh, I think I got a little color.
Not quite big enough size one. It's still 1-0. Oh, hang on a minute. 1-0.
They sound weird. Yeah.
These are right there. There you go.
Oh, it's a big size. It's a pretty good one.
How big do perch get?
Oh, about twice the size of these ones.
Okay. Nice. Not very big, but 90 meters is a lot of water, huh?
So deep.
Yay.
Cool.
There you go.
Wind picked up kind of quick.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, I don't know. We're probably not going to get too much longer, to be honest.
That's all right.
It's going to get a little bit stroppy in there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a good pilot.
Oh,
We got the job done. But
Yeah. Oh yeah.
well, there wasn't much happening.
Good job, Taylor.
Fishing, I like it, bait.
Yeah. Taylor, look. There's some color. Whoa. What you got there?
That's a really nice blue cod.
Blue cod. Nice. Good catch, Taylor. Hold it up a little bit. Yeah, that's a nice one. I think. I don't know.
Cool.
Right, we'll have one more drop, then we better get out of here, I think.
All right. Twofer to end it. Nice. Kind of small, but better than not catching anything, Taylor. Good job.
Couple of little ones.
Yeah. Better than nothing.
All right.
He's pretty fat. How fat he is.
Is fat.
It's going to get really bumpy on the way back, so just
Hold on.
come along for the ride, but make sure you're hanging on to something.
Okay. We'll get there.
Right, now that we're back, I can do that cod for you.
Okay.
Cooper's Catch takeaway shop in town.
Yep.
They can cook it for you if you want.
Okay. Cool.
So you can
Good
take
to
your
know.
own fish in and get fish and chips, or they'll
Good
cook
to know.
the crayfish for you as well if you want.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
it's very, very cheap to get done. It's
Good.
saves a lot of hassle away.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely do that for some of it. That's a good chunk of meat.
Yeah, these are really good, these fish.
Really?
Yeah, really good. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely fish of the day, that one.
Yeah. Good job, Taylor.
You've got bragging rights on this one. Well earned in those conditions.
Glad we didn't try to go at noon, you know?
Yeah. Right, I'll just get under that floor then, get you a couple of crayfish as well. Get a couple of nice big ones. Get that one there, that one there. That one there.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
You guys enjoy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank
We had a
you
lot of
so
fun.
much.
They did well in trying conditions.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
We did it well. Right, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
You too.
too.
Have a thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Got a good catch, Taylor.
Yeah, we have quite the haul. We'll pull them out once we get back to the van. But
Wow, that was
that
fun.
was so cool.
So this one's male. Turn around.
Oh, yeah, male, female.
Male, female.
You can tell because the females have the big fins.
They can hold all their eggs right there, I think is the idea.
And then here's the male, he's got little fins.
Yeah. And then
And then all of our
fish.
So cool.
Look how long the antennas are.
The antennas are so long.
It's cool.
So
Yeah, that is.
we had a lot of fun. That was super cool.
Yeah, it was crayfish cooked up. We're gonna get half of it cooked, then one crayfish cooked, and then we're gonna try cooking it ourselves. Probably tomorrow. We're off to our shop.
Yep. Have them cook it up for us.
I don't really know how this is gonna go, but
I know. I think they'll get the picture when we walk in there with this guy.
hey,
Oh, lovely.
hoping you can cook some up for us.
Yep. We're probably looking at a 20-minute wait. Is it all good?
Yeah, that's fine. And then, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Side of chips, 2, please.
Yep.
And then here, please.
$21.80. Thank you. You go fishing today?
Yeah, this morning. Yeah, before the wind picked up at least.
Yeah. The wind is always number 58.
Awesome.
We'll bring it to you wherever you want.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. There's our crawfish, and these
Oh,
are our
fish.
fish.
And some chips down there too. Ready? Very good.
So good. I'm good.
Looks like the blue cod.
Blue cod. This. Whoa.
That tastes very fresh. Imagine that.
It is fresh.
Imagine that.
He was alive 20 minutes ago. Very good.
Fish is so good.
The fish is very good. My blue cod.
Our blue cod. Very buttery.
You can definitely taste the difference. I didn't know if you would. But you can definitely taste the difference.
It's tender, more tender too. A lot more tender.
And it's way thicker.
Yeah, way bigger.
So,
Oh, it's just buttery. All done. We got everything out that we could. Oh, Taylor even tried eating the antenna. I think I like the fish better. Which is wrong of me to say, I know, but fried fish.
fried fish is very good.
There's a ton of food though. A ton of food. We'll get it. Alright, we did a little shopping, got some souvenirs. We're gonna head out of Kaikoura. We gotta keep hitting the road, but don't worry, we gotta cook up that fish tomorrow, so we'll meet you guys there. Lunchtime with the other half of the fish. Yeah, that good for batch one?
There we go. That's one.
Plate now.
Ooh, those two look good.
Look pretty good, yeah.
Deal. Doesn't seem crispy, but
Oh,
does it taste good?
just tastes like butter and fish.
It does taste good.
We did use a lot of butter. Very good. And look at that.
Can't go wrong with that.
It's cooked perfectly. Again, not crispy, which is sad.
Which is sad, but it tastes delicious. Yep.
He's huge, isn't he?
It is very large.
Ooh. So much panko, so much butter.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's glorious.
What more do you need? Okay, blue cod.
Blue cod.
Doesn't it look good?
It does. It looks so buttery.
Yeah, it does. Pretty good. Which one do you like better, today's or yesterday's?
It's tough. Yesterday's probably like overall tasted better, but it's so cool making your own.
I'm glad we did them both ways, so we
Me
can
too.
try them.
We gotta go run some errands and then we'll come back and do our crayfish.
Time to break down this crawfish. So we've kind of decided we're just gonna pull the tail out and poach it in butter.
you go. They're not cooked. Neither of us have ever cooked lobster before. Have you cooked lobster before?
No.
I didn't think so.
That looks better. Look at that.
That looks good. Look at those two gorgeous pieces of meat.
Now we cook them in butter.
Yum.
We decided to go meat down just so it soaks up the butter.
Yeah, and we'll flip them and baste them afterwards. But
Give them some time to soak all that up.
yeah.
I want to try to flip them. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we should flip them.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. That looks good.
They curl up like crazy. So
I
I'm a
know.
little worried it's over in spots, but you know, I still think it's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, it can't be bad.
All right, oh, that looks good now. See that, GoPro? See that? Oh yeah. Whoops. Did I get it all? Looks like I got it all.
Yeah, good job.
The flavor is very good. It's just a little more rubbery than I would like.
It's good. It's very good.
Yeah, it is.
And we caught it, so like, that's pretty cool too.
That was a good one.
That was really cool.
Hope you guys liked the video.
Yeah.
We'll see you on the next one. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff.
See ya.
Bye.
Right, crawdad.
Well, that's what I should. Look at that.
That looks good. Is that the poop strand?
Sure. I'm sure it is. Oh, that's sad. Good clean trash bag.
Twins.
Want an upgrade?
It's pretty funny.